Hello guys, I heard that a lot of people are getting difficulties in creating account on ICCR scholarship. Okay, in this video, I will guide you through on how to create account successfully on ICCR scholarship. First of all, when you come here, you are not to click on this registration, you will just click on this login. After clicking on this login, you have to locate here and please sign up, then you click on it. And you have to read these application guidelines, you understand, before registering. So first of all, when you come here, you are to select your title. Let's say you are a male, you can select Mr. If you are female, Mrs. Okay, let me say I'm male. It's already like your gender, it's already select male when you select Mr. Nationality, then you select your nationality. Maybe you are from, like, you understand. Date of birth, you put your date of birth according to the days, month, and then the years. After that, you have to put on your mobile number here, and then you come here and put on your email address. You understand? Let's say my email is 123@gmail.com. Your name, let's say I'm Abubakar. Middle name Ibrahim, let's say last name Miringa. Okay, then you are to select parent details. So it depends on who you are using. If you are using your father, then you choose your father. If it's your mother, then you choose your mother. If it is a guardian, then you choose your guardian. So it doesn't matter who you choose. After choosing it, then you have to enter their name. You understand, first name, middle name, and then their last name. This citizenship, you understand, or local domestic, you have to put your NIN number, national identity number, any means of identification number, like especially your national identity number. Applying for, so a lot of people are getting confusion here. UG means degree, that means undergraduate. PG is for masters, postgraduate, and PhD is for doctoral degree. So after you click on what you want to apply, let's say I'm applying for UG, then you create your password here. So you should be like creating a very good looking passport. You understand, like mix of capital letters, small letters, numbers, and some special key so that it should be strong. So this is then you repeat what you put here and then put your e-passport number. And after that, a lot of people are getting problem here. That's the main issue where people are getting error while creating the account. Instead of them uploading image, you see, please upload passport image. That means JPG, JPEG, PNG, all these are image. So you didn't see anything like PDF. So a lot of people have been uploading PDF, which it has been failing them. So you'll just click on here and then just choose on picture, you understand, and then put it here, and successfully you will create your account. And after that, you will enter this text that is displayed here, you understand. Let's say I just like, yeah, you copy the capital X. A lot of people are making also mistakes here. Capital X, capital V, capital Y, then small a, capital X. Like, you are to put it accordingly here. So thank you for watching, and then you are to click this submit button. That's all. Your account will be created and you are going to receive an email. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. We will be bringing a lot of opportunities video for you. Share with your friends and loved ones. Thank you so much.